Yeah. Siani amogela.
What's happening, everybody? Welcome to it. We are learning Spanish with me, Ruhamah, and today our guest is none other than the lovely, beautiful Simz, right?
Again, amogela and Ruhamah. How are you guys? I'm learning Spanish today. Hey.
Yes, we are learning Spanish, and the one word I want to teach you is polvo. What do you think it means? Take a wild guess. Polvo.
Like it sounds like wonderful, great,
Another wild guess?
amazing, inspirational, something.
Okay, what's your surname?
Ntuli.
And Intuli.
It's dust.
That's what it means.
Really?
Dust,
Okay.
yes. Polvo.
Polvo.
Simpiwe polvo.
Wow. And a primary they used to call me Given Dust because my name I need to Given and then my surname Dust.
Oh.
So now Given Polvo. It sounds very exotic, ne?
Yeah, so
Polvo.
Maria Spain, you just say, "Oh, my name is Simz Polvo."
My name is Simz Polvo. Oh, I love it for
Yeah.
myself.
And
Okay.
we are both polvos, by the way. I'm
We
also
are both
in Zulu.
polvos, Mpembes, aka polvos.
So some peace.
No, guys, guys, no, they didn't lie with our stakazelos. The lighting is giving.
It's giving.
Yo, or is it? No, it's this camera actually.
Eish. Yeah, it's
Yo.
close, but
Hi, man. Okay.
don't forget to subscribe.
Please subscribe. Do the right thing, okay? Subscribe.
Okay.
Amen.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Simz.
so much, my sis. Literally.
Literally.
It literally is. Okay, so I be on camera. It's so authentic. Polvo. I'll never forget it. Especially because it's my surname.
Nah.
I love that.
It also sounds like polo of
Yeah, like
polvo.
Palva. So, yes.
It's nice.
I cannot get. Okay, let's be done with this. Okay. Come on.
Hey, what's happening, everybody? Welcome back to it. So, as you have all seen, right, we were learning Spanish, the word dust, which means in Zulu, Ntuli, and that's both our surnames with Simpiwe. And yeah, I can't think of a better sentence to put that word in a sentence. Let me know down in the comments what sentence you'd like to hear, with the word dust, Ntuli, polvo. I can't think of anything except ¿Dónde está el polvo? ¿Dónde está el polvo? So that's basically how you say, where is the dust? Ipi manene. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this lesson. It's been nice. It's been fun. I'm out here.